How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. To use Internet Download Manager with Chrome, you need to manually add its browser extension. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Download IDM. Go to the official IDM website, www.internetdownloadmanager.com. Click Try IDM for free and download the installer. Once downloaded, install it like any normal program. Just follow the setup instructions. After installation, IDM will be running on your computer. Step 2. Confirm it's working. You should now see IDM's icon in the Chrome extensions bar. When you visit a page with downloadable content, IDM will automatically detect it. And that's how you download and add IDM's extension to Google Chrome in 2025. Quick and clean. Don't forget to like this video if it helped. Drop any questions below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech how-tos.